John's busy day. John is a college student. He has a very busy day ahead. Let's look at the details of his day. In the morning, John wakes up and goes downstairs. His dog, Max, is waiting by the door. "Good morning, Max," he says. He opens the door to let Max out. John has breakfast, but he is on a new diet, so he only eats fruit and drinks water. This is so different from my usual breakfast, he thinks. After breakfast, John studies. He needs to learn new words, so he uses his dictionary. "This will help me improve my English," he says. At noon, John has a phone dialogue with his friend Sarah. They discuss their weekend plans. Sarah says, "Let's go out for dinner on Saturday." John replies, "Sure, let's meet at 7 p.m. In the afternoon, John goes to the park. He takes a notebook and starts to draw. He sketches trees, flowers, and even a bird. Drawing is fun, but also a little difficult, he thinks. On the way home, John sees a stray dog lying on the road. Oh no, did it die? He wonders. But luckily the dog stands up and walks away. Later, John drives to the supermarket. He notices the difference between this store and the one near his house. It's much bigger. At the parking lot, he thanks the driver who helps him park. In the store, John buys some cleaning supplies because his house is dirty. He also gives $1 to a street musician at the entrance. When he gets home, John cleans his house and prepares dinner. He cooks pasta and makes a salad. "These are my favorite dishes," he says. After dinner, John picks out a dress shirt for the weekend dinner. "This will look great," he thinks. Before going to bed, he writes in his journal, "Today was a good day. I drove to the store, helped a stray dog, cleaned my house, and did many things. I feel proud of myself." Do you want to learn English words like John? Subscribe to our channel for fun stories and daily practice.